Making a deposit into your 1xBet account with popular local payment method is quick and simple. Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a total of $4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the 1xBet app or website and log into your account. On the main screen, go to the Deposit section. You'll usually see this button at the very top of the screen or inside the wallet icon. Once you tap on it, you'll see a list of different payment options. From here, select Popular Local Payment Method. For example, if you're using a mobile wallet like MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Money, or another local provider, simply choose that option. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. Make sure it's within the minimum and maximum limits allowed. After entering the amount, you'll be redirected to a secure payment page where you'll need to confirm the transaction. This could be by entering your mobile wallet PIN, an OTP code, or approving the request on your phone. Once the payment is confirmed, the money will be instantly credited to your 1xBet account. You can then go back to the main menu, refresh your balance, and you'll see your funds ready to use for betting. That's it. Your 1xBet account is now funded using popular local payment method.